Good morning, YouTube. Oh, wait.
Excuse me,
Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Tommy Too Fast coming at you with another video. It is currently 12:56 a.m. We're gonna be doing the Maschine Easter Egg. I am followed by the Christian.
It's Crazy Change coming with us, gentlemen.
Microphone comedian Christian. Go ahead. Yeah, by the Christian. That's the first time I ever f***ed that one up. And then I'm also followed by Kai, aka Walter White. Go ahead. And then Hova, aka Nova. What's going on?
What's up?
We've tried to do this like 7 times already. Christian, I am not doing that fucking rampage deal.
I'll do it.
No. Christian got his shit pushed in last time. And then you wouldn't accept it.
Don't know what you're talking about.
You're a sack of dick cheese. I'll go ahead and open up the first door. You gonna buy it, Christian? You don't even got enough points, you dickhead.
Christian, fuck off. These are my zombies. Fuck. Christian, fuck off me. Go find your own damn zombies, bitch. Taking my motherfucking points.
Let me know down in the comments what's your favorite zombies map and what's your favorite perks and perk jingle and gun. Mine is personally Deadshot Daiquiri. I like that perk jingle.
Quick revive.
Quick revive.
Quick revive. Yeah.
Yeah. Jingle quick revive is my favorite. It's a good jingle.
Need a little revive.
I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong. Deadshot Daiquiri is pretty good. Pretty good of a jingle.
Deadshot Daiquiri. Christian, why aren't you talking, you dick? Think you're better than everybody?
Yeah, Christian. What's your problem, bro?
His mic's muted, that's why.
No,
okay.
It's not.
You heard him just unmute it. He's just... No.
In the goddamn corner here. There we go.
Body dropped.
Can't hear you.
Yeah, fuck you, Jackie Robinson.
No, it's hard as hell to hear you.
Can't help it. Oh shit! I'm trying
There
to
we
fucking fix him. This goddamn piece of shit's running at me.
Excuse me, what?
What'd you say, son? What'd you say?
I'm trying to fix my shit. This goddamn piece of shit's running at me.
Oh my god. Also,
Today, Junior.
let us know. Let us know that what your favorite Treyarch zombies is, or any zombies, but Treyarch is the best. Anyway,
I wouldn't really say that. Have you looked at Vanguard?
have I looked at what?
Vanguard.
Vanguard is not the best.
Vanguard is worse.
Hey, everyone has a fucking shit day at the office, okay?
Bro, you know how long that ain't no just a shit day. That's a shit month. A shit year.
Hey, I don't want to hear anything. This was Treyarch's game too, and they only got 5 months to make it.
Oh yeah, and it's fucking good. It's good.
It's better than Vanguard.
Hey, so everyone has a shit day.
No, fuck them.
Honestly, that's
hey,
the
listen,
about making games,
listen.
especially if you're a big company.
No, listen. How many solid games has Treyarch had?
Man.
You had World at War, Black Ops 1, Black Ops 2, Black Ops 3, and Black Ops 4, and then
Black
this?
Ops 4 ass. Black Ops 4's ass.
I didn't really play it, so...
It wasn't that good. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that good. It was an
That's what I just said. And at zombies. I can't say anything for the multiplayer or zombies because I never played it, but it looks fun.
Multiplayer was toxic as fuck, as always, and also Blackout was ass.
Yeah.
They could have done better by giving us a campaign instead. Like they should have.
About the door for you. You gotta buy the last one.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Hit that power switch, son.
Don't mind me. I'm just gonna get myself a free job.
I can't promise anything Christian joining us, but it will be Corey. Because Christian doesn't like zombies.
Contacts down.
It's
'Cause
not
he
that
hold-
I don't like it. It's
Nope,
just
you
that
hold
I
it
don't-
every single one to a certain standard. Alright, explain why don't you like it.
Well, why is it so fucking
It doesn't
foggy
matter what you
outside?
think, son.
All right,
Sorry.
I'll see you guys later.
I'm kidding, alright, I'm kidding. Dickhead. Did you really quit?
Imagine.
It doesn't matter what you think.
Oh, you fucking
That
faggot.
last time
Yeah,
I
I
got
got
absolutely
drugged.
nothing.
Let's go,
Fuck you
baby.
guys.
I don't know who took Jug this time.
I did.
This last time I got
Of course you
absolutely
did.
nothing.
Fuck you.
Fuck you. You get it every single time. Fuck off.
Yeah.
Yeah, those calls dibs.
At least you guys got
You can
some. I
call
got
dibs in
nothing.
your ass.
Chris is complaining he didn't get shit. They're over
You
here.
got a pack of punch
I didn't get
weapons.
jack.
You guys are getting paid?
Chris is like, you guys are getting something? Fuck. I didn't get jack diddly gum.
Yeah, it must be nice to fucking complain about what you guys got.
Chris didn't get...
Chris,
Chris
I didn't
is like the
get jack
fucking...
shit.
Nah, I got a bunch of stuff. I got a pistol.
Yeah, you got an epic pistol.
Maybe.
You know what I got?
Nothing.
Fucking sleeping here on my cocky
Me and
baby.
Christian out here ain't got jack shit. Y'all took everything. Fucking pricks.
Well, I don't know what to tell you, son. Get good. I don't know
How
what
about
to
you
tell.
get bent?
Nah. I'm good. Bite my shorts. No, it's
No.
eat my shorts.
Yeah.
Yeah, bite my shiny metal ass.
Nope. Christian literally can't have anything. I'll come up here to take his points. I don't know why I reloaded.
Like you're doing right now.
Do what, Christian?
Like you're doing right now. I'm trying to get points for Jug, you asshole.
Now you're quiet again.
I'm trying to get points for Jug, you piece of shit.
This is my area, dog. Don't run into that Megaton.
Oh, hey, big bitch.
Get him to shoot this tree, Christian.
Meg. There, you shot it.
He didn't shoot
I
it.
don't.
No, he didn't. It's not purple. There it is. It's purple. Now you can kill him. Oh my god! Alright, he's immune. Nova ain't talking. What a bitch.
I do music. Fuck off.
We can't have that, son. We need clear communication. Hey, Kai, is there a fucking thing on the plane? There it is. Alright, I'll go back down to the bottom and grab that part.
Oh,
Caches.
Look at your mini map. It's it's 3 little bullets.
Right here.
Christian's prone at looking at his fucking mini map.
I don't use it, man. I don't know why it's there.
So you can look at it.
Hey, you watch your tone when you're talking to me, son. I'll take you out of this world.
I'll kiss you on the lips, boy.
Well, you know what? You might as well make it a good one, because I love it.
Gay!
What the fuck?
Yeah, son. I'll make it a good one. I'll make it a nice
don't turn
wet
off on
one.
me. Don't turn off on me. Please do not turn off.
Nope, it's
I
gonna
don't know
turn.
if that's gonna make me hard.
Oh, I'm telling you to get us back to the ether, son.
God damn it.
I got.
Dude, I just want to suck and die hell. I don't know what the hell that was.
It's Crazy Trains coming with us, gentlemen!
Hey. Why'd you scream? Did you get the die thing yet, Nova?
Got it. About to go shoot down the box.
All right, Christian, go down to that tree. He's gonna shoot down a box, and there's gonna be a thing right there to grab a
Oh wait,
beaker.
I don't have enough charge. Cause I was surrounded. I had to use it.
Right here.
Hold on,
wait.
I'll show.
I can still go.
I'll
Still
show
go
you.
suck.
You still go suck.
It's gonna fall down right here. You see this little box right here? Where the fuck you at? You see this box right here?
Give me souls.
He's
give me
gonna shoot
souls.
that, and it's gonna break. And it's gonna pop out a beaker. You're gonna grab that beaker and come and place it place it underneath this little tree thing. He dropped it.
It's a fungus.
Here, I'll grab the beaker. Wait.
Alright, who's down? Who's down? Kai. Okay, I'll go get Kai.
Oh, you piece of shit.
Don't worry, Christian. I got it. Oh, it's already placed. Who placed it? Christian, you placed it?
Yeah.
Nice. Christian coming in for clutch.
Hang on, I gotta go grab perks. I gotta grab perks.
Fuck your perks.
Bitch, I need to
Is that you
survive.
moaning in my ear?
I am the
Perk,
most
you moan in my ear? Yeah, Perk,
am
it sounds
the-
like you got a sleep apnea on, man.
And tried to disrupt their two-man action. For as well as the Nuggets have played at times, Perk, is that you moaning in my ear over and over again?
Yeah, I know. I was getting ready to ask you. You sound like you got sleep apnea, Perk.
Yeah, dude. They did not let Perk have it that day.
No, dude, they gave it to him fucking scot-free.
Yeah.
I am probably the
Perk
most
was
important
here
one.
Fucking breathing to survive, and they hit him with that.
Perk, you moan in my ear, son.
Yeah, Perk about to say, you got sleep apnea?
Dude.
Dude,
Stephen A.
Stephen A. let him have it the most.
Yeah, dude. Perk, you fat sack of shit.
He should have said that. It's basically what he said.
Yeah, you fat sack of dick cheese. Kai.
I'm having fun over there.
Kai.
That fucking hurts.
Can you get your ass? Thank you. There's one. Kai, just give me like 2 seconds.
I am out of ammo, son.
Oh, that's a
know,
red
right?
one! Hold on, Kai. Hold your cotton picking horses.
I have no gun. Help. Oh, fuck. Where's the ammo cache?
Kai, hold your cotton picking horses, son.
I killed one.
I
Uh.
am chased by the hounds of goddamn hell, dude.
Dude, Kai, dude, that red one wouldn't let me have it.
You're a murderer, Tommy. You're a murderer.
Dude, the red one wouldn't let me have it. Fucking Nova's late to the goddamn party.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm trying to get what we need for this.
Oh my god, please!
Oh, God, dude, I'm about to go down.
Nah, you good.
Where's Doug? I fucking need that
There's a
shit.
lot of goddamn dogs.
Stop biting my ass, you cocksucker!
Oh, God, dude.
Y'all having fun?
Oh my god! Somebody call Caesar Milan. We did the fucking dog whisperer out here right now.
No.
Did you get the fart canister, you dickhead?
Mark, is that you moaning in my ear?
Dude, we couldn't catch a break.
Hang on, I need to.
Me and Christian were getting our shit pushed in for free.
Let me quickly do these ones that are down here.
God,
Dude, fuck these motherfuckers.
I have a pistol and an XM4.
I don't know what the M4.
God damn it, Perk.
Perk 30.
Dude, please! I'm
Christian.
hitting quadruple team.
All right, I'm upgrading my gun, man. Can you stop, you gremlin? Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Tommy. Okay, I do sound pretty good.
Give me a pack of Marlboro Light.
All right, we're
You
back.
gotta tell us when we're doing that.
All right, we're back, boys. I'm
not
here,
running a
Christian.
whole
I'm
train.
coming, Christian. I'm right here, son.
Better run, motherfucker.
You better shoot him, boy. Fuck you, Christian. Hope you die in hell.
Dude. Tommy, I'm about to fucking bust a nut, dude.
The
Dude, there's
Yep,
only
here we
so
go
much I
again.
can do, dude. I can't help that
I
you're
need
running around with a
snow.
pistol.
I'm not running up the pistol, you fat faggot. Who turned on Rampage?
No
No
one.
one.
These guys are fucking running at me, dude. This is bullshit.
It's round
They start winning
15.
this round. They start winning this round. You didn't know that?
I haven't played zombies in 3 years, dude.
another sniper. Yippee! 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 Yippee!
Pretty good, pretty good. Kill him, John.
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Zombies Olympics.
Oh,
We are now watching Tommy Harris's screen here. Looks like the decontamination is complete. Will they survive this boss battle? One member down. We will see.
I can't see Nova.
Looks like
No.
Tommy Harris sucks penis for life.
I can't see Nova.
Tommy, we got this.
That's
Tommy, we
some
got
goddamn bullshit, dude. I went through all that work for no goddamn reason.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Donkey Kong.
Tommy rocking the sweet sweeper, Yeah, nice one, buddy. The street sweeper
Nice.
as his main objective gun here.
Hit it, hit it.
Looks like Tommy Harris is struggling to get that anomaly. But
God
will it be
damn it.
good enough?
Dude, I'm currently fighting 3 fucking megatons.
You got it.
You got this.
Unsure of if he has it or not, Tommy getting the ghost really fast. Of course, the zombies are ghostophobic, so they're not going anywhere near those fuckers.
Ghostophobic.
Therefore, Tommy is safe for a few minutes here.
No. Kai, please tell me he can revive me.
Looks like Kai
Kai, you faggot.
letting Nova die
All
for
right.
some reason on Tommy's screen. Kai is down, but in reality, that is not the case. Uh-oh. Oh, we got a Max Ambo in the booth here. Looks like they can live to see another day.
Yes, sir.
Tommy having an ultimate steering contest with the ghost of Christmas past here.
Okay, don't start it yet. I need to go grab stamina.
You better
Too
hurry
late.
the fuck
They've already
up.
jumped the wormhole. Kai sucking penis.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, what?
Getting a fucking massive ass train of zombies. Oh shit.
Sounds like Nova's having some trouble there in paradise.
All right. We're finally in the boss fight.
Looks
Couple
like they're
hours
going
left.
back through the wormhole.
Boss fight initiated.
Robble, robble. Looks like Tommy getting a pack a punch while he is currently distracted.
It's one ugly bastard.
Yeah, to many, he's ugly, but to the Russian Soviets,
Damn boy, you beat your
he's
meat.
very fucking ugly.
He needs to trim his nails.
I mean, he was a zombie for most of his life now. For a good while.
I thought he was holding a fucking large cup of coffee for some reason.
What the hell is wrong with you?
No, this was his
Like
wife.
he's fucking taking a goddamn lunch break. He has a large cup of coffee.
It's round
putting on my
26.
Gonna be not hearing y'all. So don't yell at me. Don't yell at my name.
You're a
gonna be
sack of shit.
I'm already getting my train started.
You're a sack of shit.
Sounds like wiener sauce is in the building, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, Kai, this is gonna be. Ooh.
Why don't you just upgrade to 3? That's what I did.
Because I don't have enough for the 3.
Oh, and I did?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Sounds like I got a taste of team spirit.
Dude, this is a fucking tough boss fight. Not really.
Yeah, he fucking hears you and like amps it up to 50,000.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, that's the gun I had.
Is it?
Yeah.
I go check out. Keep focusing on the zombies.
Don't know what the fuck I was shooting at.
Oh, Tommy's showing those dogs the Michael Vick special.
Okay.
Oh, Tommy about got
I like this Highlander.
Okay, you two. This is pretty not that intense.
Yeah, one would say anticlimactic.
Last time it was very intense.
Well, today they told you to suck PPs and downstairs. Back to the action here. Looks like Tommy is protecting Big Boy Slim by shooting out the
Olaf.
armored zombies.
I think his name is Olaf, but alright.
Yeah, well, to the underground zombies fan club, he's Big Boy Slim.
Big Boy Slim, yeah.
Come on, come on, come on.
One more.
And suck cock in hell, your game crashed.
Yeah. I would cry.
Dude, please, for the love of all that is fucking holy. Yeah, Megatron, buddy, Megatron.
I need help down here, Kai.
Nope, you got it on your own there, bud.
Yeah, you stay down here with me, Kai.
Looks like Tommy's struggling a little bit. Will he suck peepees and downstairs?
Well, I've gone down, what, twice? Oh, Megaton on this guy. Megaton on this guy. Okay.
I just saw Jesus.
A little less talkative than one would think here. Looks like Kai and Nova sucking pecker as usual.
Alright. I'm coming, boys.
And I'm coming hard. Cause them young boys coming.
Go, Kai, go.
Go, Kai, go, Kai, go.
Street Sweeper kinda nice.
Unlike your Los Angeles Lakers here, this thing is sweeping like it's nobody's business.
Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, it must be nice.
Christian. And that is the Die Machine Easter egg. It took a little bit longer than expected, but we got it done, YouTube. We got it done.
Yeah, I got my shit pushed in for nothing, guys. At the end of the day, fuck Call of Duty.
I doubt Christian will be joining us for the next one, but as always, take it easy.
Wiener sauce.
Peace.